know what? I like the flavor of it more than. But I'm not pleased with it 100%. I'm going to bake it over tomorrow and use less. I'm using coconut milk. And normally when people do this, they use buttermilk and all them stuff, which is thicker. Coconut milk is lighter, so I'm going to use 1 1/4 because I really like what it is. I like it. The blend of the baking soda and the baking powder and everything give it the taste. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is my 3rd time trying this, and this is the only time I feel a little bit pleased. I'm gonna show you clips of the previous ones, but out of my baking, I can't believe cornbread was the most challenging, because I want to find an original recipe, you know, using the ingredients that I like. Find one that works, that I can put it in the book. Tomorrow is going to be the 4th time, and you're going to see it. I'm going to show you. I was pleased with this, you know, but to be honest, part of it was kind of wet. This is part 2, so this is 1 cup of cornmeal refined, 3/4 cup flour, all purpose, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup milk. I'm using coconut milk. And just stir that in. And 2 eggs. If it works, just visit my website for the ingredients. Alright, just stir this in. Stir the flour up. Stir the sugar in. And the oil, 6 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, 3. That's 4 tablespoons. All the eggs now. 1. That's 2. Just lightly beat this. Pour that in. This is like shortening this milk with the oil. Just stir this in. I already greased my pan. So I use 4 tablespoons of oil. Use 1 cup of milk. Alright, add the flour. Just kind of fold it in. And just now add the cornmeal. And just fold it in. Alright, so that's good enough. Over mix it. And just pour this in. Alright. Clean the surface and put it in the oven. Preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Timer 25 minutes. This is after 6 minutes. I don't see it rising like the other one, so I don't know. The other one will start rose already by 6. And keep the oven closer to the time. If some might be asking why am I investing so much time in this, because you know what, I'm writing a book, and this recipe is gonna be in Jamaican cakes. There goes nothing. It's clean. Alright. Let's take this thing apart. Let's pour around. There goes nothing. There you go, this look better. See if this look better. And then I form the tower. So that's cornbread. So that's it. I want to take a picture of the loaf. I'm going to cut it. Homemade cornbread. To me, cornbread challenge your baking skills. If you can bake a cornbread, you can bake. I mean, you might look at it as something simple as it should bake easily. Alright, it's been 15 minutes now since I ate the first slice. I was just walking around thinking about it. Yeah, I was just walking around thinking about it. And I just said to myself, you know, said eat good. And what I noticed, you can slice it too, like that. It's really nice. Cornbread is a special type of thing. It's nice with eggs too. And scrambled eggs. If I see me eat the whole slice, you must know. Initially I thought it was dry when I first put the first piece in. No, it's like cornbread. It's like just perfect. If I had added any more liquid to this, it would have came out like you saw the other one. It's like on the tea. It's nice. It also have a buttery taste. I don't know why it have a buttery taste, and I didn't use any butter. And for a cornmeal product, it's not boring. And for a cake type product, it's healthy one. I see myself eating this right now.